Ilagan is slowly finding its rhythm. Back to you guys.
Thank you for that report, Lyra. Another triple coming from JP Kawilan. Coach, ito na yung sinasabi ni Lyra na Riveros switches. Pick and pop, sarangay, punta dito kay Paulo Castro. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. 3 versus 1. It's gonna be to JP Kawilan with the left. Double digits ready for JP Kawilan.
Oo, parang nakakatatlo or 4 na pasa na si Chino sa kanya eh. And they are very good looks.
There you go, Kyle Paranada with his first basket. Try to go to that high-low sa turnover. Takbo ang Ilagan. Rob Celis, if I'm not mistaken, this is his first field goal.
Yung pinaka-deadly si Rob Celis. Only because he's just a couple of dribbles away from either an attack and a spray and a pass.
Harlan Monte daw on the other.
Tsaka kayang umabsorb ng ng bungguan. Yun ang importante. And also got, a 3-point shooting on his own.
Capascio, the corner, gets the 3. Gabe Capascio has continued to work on his game. Back in the day, kung yung teammate ko sa UP yan, nasa rin ko yan tumira ng 3 eh. But Gabe, pero anytime you give him that mid-range, automatic yan, Coach Mike, from all the way from high school to college. But it was in the pros where he really worked on that 3-pointer.
Which is, one might say, very unique amongst all the teams, ano?
I can't imagine, Coach, the coaches that J-Boy as Jasper Ayay gets his first 2 points of the season. Gumaru. Takbo. Gumaru, challenge duel. Second chance for Don Gumaru is good.
How about the growth of Rob for a lot of times in their possessions?
Domar though can't make the 3. Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. MJ will be blocked from behind by Paulo Castro. Don on the cut. Dito kay Gabe. Goes to Don. Corner 3. Finally a make for Don Gumaru. Ang tinawa ang ring doon. Don Gumaru, baba.
Push ahead.
Gabe on the midi.
I believe you. I believe you, Coach.
Before he got the opportunity for Lasal and Detran.
When you say traumatic on your end.
Yes, on my
Dahil
end.
iskoran ka na,
Because,
iniskoran.
Yes, Ateneo, we had a good fight. Art. Yun pa rin.
Oo. Swabe, no?
Here he is. Art goes to the corner. Capascio, another jumper is good for Gabe Capascio. Kunin yung rhythm niya ulit, but already, again, with MVP numbers.
Feeling ko nagiging conservative lang sila.
Humble lang.
Sobrang humble
lang
naman.
pala. 2.9 remaining. Mina stops, pops, short for Allen Mina, and that will end the first half. It's a 13-point lead.